Nolat Labs works the way that I've designed it for a couple of reasons. One of those is the integrity piece, which I've talked about in a whole lot of the videos. The other reason that it works well this way, or that it can work at all this way, is because of videos. There's only one of me, and if I want this class to be customized so that you can go at your pace and work on what you want to work on, there's no way that I can teach 16 different things every class period and get any significant amount of time to do that. So videos are the way that I've gotten around that. Some of them are like this video, where I've recorded a message to you, and it's about safety, it's about something that we do in the workshop, it's about something we're doing in class, anything like that. It's really important that you watch these videos. Some of them are YouTube videos. I've gone through to find, as much as I can, the best videos that I'm able to locate to teach you the different strands that we've got in design technology. And I've linked them here so that it's easier for you to get to them in all of the quests and everything that are listed down in the maps. That doesn't mean that that's the only one that you could learn that from. You may have gone to YouTube, for example, to learn how to do a video game. Most of us have. You can also learn many other things at YouTube. How to be a nuclear physicist, how to cook a dinner. And there's probably 600,000 of those for how to cook a dinner. So if you don't like the video that I've chosen for some reason, maybe you don't like the presenter's voice or the pace that they go at or something, whatever it is, there's probably another presenter that's presented that topic that you could watch instead. Just takes a little bit of searching to find it. There's also a lot of material out there that you could go watch to learn what you're interested in watching. So as you get into Nolat Labs and want to do very specific things, want to learn very specific topics, YouTube and all the other resources that we've identified are your tool for finding the instruction that you want at the pace that you want to find it, and going at the speed and the style and the approach that you like. So please use that. Learn how to do that effectively. Learn how to speed them up, slow them down, turn on the captioning, pause them, rewind them, use them really effectively. On the flip side of that, there are lots and lots of times that I'm sure that you will run into things that don't work with this method. Can't find the video that you really want. Maybe even don't know the terminology yet to search for the videos that you want. You need to learn how to use the language to identify the exact thing that you want to do or feature that you want to create. Maybe you do the video and you can't wrap your head around it. Try a couple of times, rewind, etc. This doesn't make sense. These are the times when you pull me in as the facilitator, as the coach of design technology. That's what I'm here for. So I will try to occupy my time while we're in class, so I'm not just wandering around bothering you guys while you're learning. I'm creating a space for you to learn in, but I'm also here for you as the coach. Use YouTube, use videos, use all of our resources to learn, and use me. Balance them effectively so that I can help you move as fast as you want to go.